Hello guys, in this video I want to show you how to clear WhatsApp cache on Android phone in 2026. Okay, step 1, open setting in phone and click apps. After click apps, see all apps, scroll down, find WhatsApp apps. Okay, after find WhatsApp, click WhatsApp and after click WhatsApp, click destroy cache. Okay, click after click clear cache. Click clear cache. I click clear cache. Very easy. That's it. Your WhatsApp cache is cleared. Very easy. If you have any question, please comment video and like the video and subscribe Nice Tech channel for other videos. Okay, good luck.